Yeah, G Money rides, G Money rides. Yeah, can't slow down, might get a speed ticket. G Money rides, known for popping willies. Cops pull me over, then they let me go. Catch me if you can, or eat my dust, bro. G Money rides, G Money rides.
Okay guys, so this is, well, it's a big barge sitting right here, but this is the construction project that is taking place in Davenport, Bettendorf, Iowa. You can see the existing bridge there, that green span. Okay, this is going to be the new bridge here. That's the new actual pavement. So it spans the Mississippi, Iowa to Illinois. And you can see they got the deck halfway across, roughly. So it goes all the way back there. That's the Illinois side of it right there. So they've got the deck built here. They needed an arch, because if you notice, that deck is lower than that deck. So they're building an arch here for river traffic, right? But so the total building cost on this project is supposed to be $1.2 billion with a B, billion dollars. Okay, but these arches are giving them problems. They're not going together the way they're supposed to. So I don't know if it's going to be one of those engineering blunders where they get to the middle and they don't, you know, one's here and the other one's here. I don't know if that's what's going to happen, or if it's going to come together. But yeah, they're having some issues with those arches. But you can see the giant cranes on site. You know, of course, they've dug caissons and everything to be able to pour concrete in the middle of the river. And yeah, so this is the big infrastructure project that's going on right now here in Iowa on the banks of the Mississippi River. Now, what I'll do is I'll include a little video as well of going over that bridge, and you'll understand why they need to build a new bridge. The way that bridge started out is only one span. It was built in 1935, I believe. Same year my mom was born. And it was that way until 1970, when traffic became so heavy that they needed another span. So, you know, what they did is they went back to the 1935 blueprint and recreated that bridge, that span. Now, they used updated building materials. It's not like they, you know, used 1935 steel or something. But yeah, so they use the exact same. That's why it's a twin. They look like twins, but they were born 35 years apart. Pretty wild, huh? Like I said, I'll get some footage of me going across that span, and again, you'll understand why they needed a new one. That one there, the existing, is 2 lanes back and forth. The new one will be 3 back and forth. In both lanes. Okay, so this is obviously the Iowa to Illinois side. Construction right there. Again, you can see it's just 2 lanes wide. That's it. You got a little respite right here where you could, you know, if you needed to, you could push a car in or something like that. But if there's like a wreck right here, 2, 3 multiple car wreck right here, you're done. You're toast. This side is blocked up. All done. We're going to get off here on River Drive. We're going to pull a U-ey, and we'll come back up that side right there and go back over to Iowa. So yeah, that's all the longer it takes me to get to Illinois. Should have done a little more with that overpass, huh? Yeah, I want to avoid that shit right there if I can. So there you can see that's actually the deck. Going to be the road deck of the bridge. And they've got it out here a little ways, but there's got to be a whole nother one next to it. And then again, this is all the, well, you know, look at all the equipment they've got down there. And then the 2 towers there to help build the arches. More equipment, more cranes, big giant cranes too. These are the arches. Oh, doggone, can't hardly see them. See them? But yeah, that's going to be the way river traffic comes under the bridge. Then here's the new deck right here, and it connects to the existing highway.